The customer brought their car in, concerned because the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool and found 3 codes: P0121 for the throttle pedal position sensor circuit range performance, P0123 for the throttle pedal position sensor circuit high, and P2118 for the throttle actuator control motor current range performance. To investigate, I used the scan tool to command the electronic throttle control motor to open, but the motor didn't respond. This suggested a power or communication issue. I connected a test light to the electronic throttle control motor harness connector and commanded the motor on again using the scan tool. The test light didn't illuminate, which confirmed that the motor wasn't receiving power or ground. To rule out a faulty motor, I used a set of fused jumper wires to apply direct voltage and ground to the motor. This time, the motor responded, proving it was operational. I then performed a visual inspection of the electronic throttle control module wiring harness and found the harness was damaged, which explained the lack of power and communication. I repaired the damaged section of the wiring harness and reassembled everything. After clearing the codes, I performed a road test to verify the repair. The car operated smoothly, the throttle responded as it should, and the check engine light stayed off. The diagnostic trouble codes didn't return. This repair ensured the throttle control system could communicate effectively with the vehicle's computer, allowing the engine to receive the proper amount of air for safe and efficient operation. A damaged wiring harness disrupts this process, so repairing it was crucial to restore normal functionality.